Welcome to Vail, Colorado, where breathtaking mountain scenery, world-class outdoor adventures, and charming alpine vibes come together to create the ultimate getaway. Whether you're here for the legendary ski slopes, scenic hiking trails, or simply to soak in the stunning Rocky Mountain views, Vail has something for everyone. From thrilling winter sports to summer escapes filled with wildflower meadows and crystal-clear streams, this mountain paradise is a year-round destination you won't want to miss. In this video, we're counting down the 5 best things to do in Vail, Colorado. So get ready to explore, unwind, and experience everything this incredible town has to offer. Let's dive in. Number 5. Skiing in Vail. If you're looking for world-class skiing, Vail, Colorado is the ultimate winter paradise. With over 5,300 acres of skiable terrain, Vail is one of the largest and most iconic ski resorts in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, there's a perfect run waiting for you. Start your adventure on Vail's front side, where groomed trails and wide-open runs make it ideal for skiers of all levels. If you're up for a challenge, head to the legendary back bowls, 7 massive bowls of untouched powder that will take your breath away. Want even more? The Blue Sky Basin offers an incredible mix of tree runs and scenic glades, giving you that true backcountry feel. But skiing in Vail isn't just about the slopes. Take a break at one of the cozy mountain lodges, enjoy a warm drink by the fire, and soak in the stunning views of the Rockies. After an epic day on the mountain, head to Vail Village for après-ski fun, delicious dining, and a lively atmosphere. No matter your skill level, skiing in Vail is an unforgettable experience. So grab your gear and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. Number 4. Take the Eagle Bahn Gondola to the summit of Eagle's Nest. Not a skier? No problem. You can still take in Vail's breathtaking mountain views without hitting the slopes. Just hop on the Eagle Bahn Gondola. This scenic ride takes you from Lion's Head Village all the way up to Eagle's Nest, offering jaw-dropping panoramic views of the snow-covered Rockies in winter and lush alpine landscapes in summer. As you ascend, you'll see skiers and snowboarders carving down the trails below, making for an unforgettable sight. For just $50 round trip, this experience is absolutely worth it. Whether you're visiting in summer for hiking, mountain biking, or simply soaking in the fresh mountain air, or in winter to enjoy the snowy wonderland from a cozy gondola cabin. Once at the top, be sure to check out Marketplace Eagle's Nest, where you can grab a delicious meal or warm drink while taking in the incredible 360-degree views. Bonus tip: if you're traveling with kids under 12, they ride for free as long as they're with an adult holding a valid ticket, making this a perfect family-friendly adventure. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride, because the best views in Vail are waiting for you at the top. Number 3. Betty Ford Alpine Gardens. Did you know that Vail was a favorite getaway for former President Gerald Ford and First Lady Betty Ford? In fact, Betty Ford became so beloved by locals that she earned the title First Lady of the Vail Valley. To honor her contributions, the Betty Ford Alpine Gardens were created. A breathtaking botanical oasis nestled in the heart of the Rockies. As you wander through these stunning gardens, you'll be surrounded by colorful wildflowers, peaceful streams, and cascading waterfalls, all set against the majestic backdrop of Vail Mountain. At 8,250 feet above sea level, this is the highest botanical garden in the United States. But be warned, altitude sickness can be a thing here, so stay hydrated. Visitors love the Interactive Education Center, and if you're here in winter, you can even explore the Winter Tree Trail on snowshoes for just $5. The gardens are open year-round from dawn to dusk with free admission, though you might want to pick up a souvenir at the gift shop. Whether you're a nature lover, a history buff, or just looking for a peaceful escape, the Betty Ford Alpine Gardens is a must-see in Vail. Number 2. Holy Cross Wilderness Area. Looking for an unforgettable outdoor adventure near Vail? Just 30 miles south of town, the Holy Cross Wilderness Area is a nature lover's paradise. Covering over 122,000 acres, This rugged landscape is filled with towering peaks, lush valleys, and golden aspen forests, not to mention 164 miles of scenic hiking and biking trails. And if you're lucky, you might even spot a few majestic elk along the way. One of the top recommended hikes? The 7-mile Missouri Lakes Fancy Pass Loop, a stunning trail that takes you through crystal-clear alpine lakes and towering evergreens. Start at the Missouri Creek Trailhead and prepare for some breathtaking views. The Holy Cross Wilderness is open year-round, but if you're visiting in winter, be prepared for heavy snowfall and plan accordingly. While there's no entrance fee, hikers must register for a free permit before hitting the trails. Ready to explore? Take Interstate 70, exit at Minturn, and follow Homestake or Tigaiwan Forest Service roads to your adventure. Whether you're hiking, biking, or just soaking in the beauty, Holy Cross Wilderness is a must-visit for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 1. Explore Vail Town, a charming alpine town that blends European-inspired architecture with world-class mountain adventure. Whether you're here for the famous ski slopes or just looking to soak in the stunning surroundings, Vail Village is the perfect place to explore. Start your journey in Vail Village, where cobblestone streets, cozy cafes, and boutique shops create a storybook setting. Grab a hot drink and stroll along Gore Creek, taking in the mountain views. If you're looking for unique souvenirs, check out the local art galleries and specialty stores. Feeling hungry? Vail is home to incredible restaurants, from casual après-ski spots to fine dining experiences. Enjoy a classic fondue at Almaresi, or savor gourmet farm-to-table cuisine at Mountain Standard. For a dose of culture, stop by the Gerald R. Ford Amphitheater, which hosts concerts and events year-round. Or visit the Colorado Snow Sports Museum to learn about the area's rich skiing history. No trip to Vail is complete without a ride on the Gondola 1. Even if you're not skiing, the views from the top are unbeatable. Whether you're here for adventure, relaxation, or both, Vail Town has something for everyone.